Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, the Happy Cultivator, and I thought I'd show you my Red Malabar Spinach. This Red Malabar Spinach comes to me by way of MI Gardener. So big shout out there to Luke from MI Gardener. It's a very heat hardy spinach. It grows in a vine, as you see. It's got pretty thick leaves on it, and these leaves taste just like spinach. They're a little hardier than a spinach leaf. They cook up really nice, and I really enjoy this Red Malabar spinach. I wanted to make this video as a shout out to a friend of mine on YouTube, Candi Wallace. She was showing her Red Malabar spinach, and it got me compelled to show her mine. So this video is for Candi. So check out this Red Malabar spinach, Candi. I let it grow out of the pot and grow down my fence, and then I actually have some more over here. So let me show you my other plot. We'll take a stop at Happy here, my rosemary bush. So this is Happy. Happy needs a little trim, but you got to let him overgrow a little bit every now and then. He reminds me a little bit of Seth Rogen. But the Gnome headquarters garden's looking pretty nice. But here is the other Red Malabar spinach there, Candi. This one really likes its spot. But I really like the Red Malabar spinach. It makes these berries here that produce the seeds. It's really easy to save seed with Red Malabar spinach. It's quite tasty. And it's just a great summer crop to grow. I'm actually pinching these guys off because I'm going to throw them in a sandwich. So I'm going to go wash these off, throw them in a nice little turkey sandwich with some provolone cheese, and it's going to be great. So yeah, try something new if you guys, get stuck in your normal beans and onions. Step outside the box a little bit and try yourself something like Red Malabar spinach, or even this over here, which is another good heat hardy spinach, which is Egyptian spinach. It just self-sowed itself, so it's starting to grow. But with that, guys, keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.